This is called the sole insole met pad or metatarsal pad. It's designed to be used to help provide relief for metatarsalgia, Morton's neuroma, sesmoiditis, or any other kind of ball of foot pain. It comes as a pair with a left and a right side, and it's made of a polyurethane gel that does not compress over time. It's cured to be sticky on the bottom side, so you can place it into sandals or tennis shoes and have it be secure in the shoes. But if it gets dirty, you can wash it off in the sink and scrub all the dirt off, let it air dry, and once it's dry, the adhesive will renew. You can place it slightly behind the metatarsal heads, so you don't want it directly underneath, but right behind. This will help to support the area behind the metatarsal heads, and that will offload pressure from where the pain points are. Also, because it's a little bit thicker right here, it will help to provide spacing between the metatarsals. Sometimes with issues such as Morton's neuroma, there's a nerve being pinched between the metatarsal heads. So by adding extra spacing between those bones, you can give additional relief. Another unique way to use the metatarsal pads is to use them as a tongue pad. So sometimes you've got heel slip happening in a shoe, and you'll notice that somebody has a more narrow or shallow foot in their instep area. So they'll have a gap right about here, and this will cause the heel to slip out of the back of the shoe. When this happens, if you add a little bit of thickness under the tongue, you'll make the shoe fit better and also keep the foot more secure in the shoe. If a shoe has a removable liner, you can pull the liner out, place the metatarsal pad down, and then replace the liner. This will give a more gradual feel and also help the metatarsal pad to stay more secure in the shoe. Please reach out to us if you have any questions about our med pads and how they can help your clients.